delighted to be participating as an instructor in an amazing year-long class devoted to learning best practices in encaustic painting. This program, called Painting with Fire, hosted by the Irish art school Essence of Mulranny, gathers 26 world-renowned encaustic artists together to share their knowledge and expertise on all aspects of this wonderful medium. Plus, you get to peek into our studio practices to see behind the scenes. Take a peek into some of the moments included in my video lessons called Hot Fabrication, on how to combine encaustic and fabric, as well as my other course called Spun Gold, highlighting the use of encaustic on spun-bonded fibers such as Lutrevere. Use the link and feel free to contact me with any questions.